Mike Hughes here at Dima's show, and I'm at the Author's Corner, one of the perks of being at the show. And I'm here with Brandi right now, Mueller. She has a new book out, The Airplane Graveyard. And it's the Forgotten WW2?
World War II.
Okay, that one. Okay, Warbirds of Kwajalein Atoll.
Yeah.
Now, how'd you get there to find these?
Thanks. Well, I didn't find them. It's actually about 150 American airplanes that were dumped after World War II. So at the end of the war, they loaded them up on barges and they just dumped them into the ocean. So I was very lucky. I got to work on Kwajalein. I was a civilian contractor for the Army, and I was a boat captain out there. So I got to scuba dive a lot in my free time.
Nice.
And I wanted to see as many of the planes as I could. So over 3 years, I got lots of photos of the different planes. And then after I had left, I actually got contacted by the publisher about doing a book, and they paired me up with Alan Axelrod, who also co-wrote it. He's a World War II historian, so he made sure that all the stuff that I thought was right was actually right.
Cool.
So yeah, it talks about, there's 7 different types of airplanes in the airplane graveyard, so we go through sort of plane by plane, talking about what it did in the Pacific Theater, and then there's images of it, both historical images of the planes and underwater photos of the planes as well.
Now I wonder, some of them probably look like planes and others look like the reef.
A lot of them still look like planes.
Okay.
It's interesting that the area of the lagoon, a lot of the lagoon has beautiful coral reefs, but this section, for whatever reason, is mostly just a white sandy bottom. So
and that helps preserve them?
It seems to have, and they just kind of sit right in the sand. So it's quite cool to dive. A lot of them kind of look like they could just take off at some point. And usually very clear water. So yeah, it's nice.
Oh yeah, you staged that so it'd be directly right up and down in the sand.
Yeah, I did. I lifted it up and moved it
Stronger than you look, yes.
Yeah.
Cool. And so if they want to find your book?
Yes, it is on Amazon. My website is brandi.underwater.com, and you can send me a message and I can mail them in the US too, but otherwise it's on Amazon, and yeah.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
No worries. Thank you.